Go ahead and turn on your CO2 probe. So put that to the side and open up the app that this will connect to. So go to the SparkView app. If anything's on here, don't worry, press the hamburger and start new experiment. Never save anything ever. Now we're on the home screen. Click on sensor data and check your Bluetooth and make sure that your Bluetooth code that you're connected is the same number that's right there. For today's class, I want you to have numbers and a graph, so click that icon. And then just double check that when it switched to this page, the CO2s went with it. So I have CO2 reading there. Check if it's not saying CO2, just click on it and you should have the menu over here. If you don't, it's probably not connected to the Bluetooth. Make sure your vertical axis on your graph is also set to CO2. All right, so I'm right here. I want to press start. I know that atmospheric CO2 is 400 ppm, so what it should be reading in my classroom right now is about 400. And press start. Looks good. Let's say your number does not look like that. I'm going to teach you how to calibrate, which you'll probably have to do at the beginning of every class we use these probes. So press stop, and then press on the screwdriver gear. Then click on bullseye. Now, before you press calibrate, you get your bottle and you get a fresh air sample. So this is the atmosphere that this probe is working in. Get a sample, put the probe over the top, and we want to set this reading to be 400. All I have to do now is press calibrate. Now it's calibrated to read my atmosphere in my classroom at 400 ppm. Okay, so once it's calibrated, I check, should read 400, 402. All right, so my first trial that I'm going to do, I am going to, at rest, exhale into this container for 5 seconds. Quickly cap it, press start. See, I have another run right there. That was my first trial. Now I am going to let it run for 1 minute. Looks like it's increasing. It's just gathering more and more CO2. Let it run till it says 1 minute down here. Okay, it's been 1 minute. Before I start my next trial, I want to click on the line and I'm going to press T and I'm going to put right here. This will be either control or just at rest. That's a movable thing like that. All right. And now I want to start my next trial. My next trial will involve doing strength training. So I'll have my person go outside and strength train for the amount of time in the directions, and then they will inhale into the bottle for 5 seconds. You'll cap it. You'll let it read for 1 minute. You press stop. You press the T button, and you label it. Then you do the same thing, but you do cardio. You do that for about, I believe, 30 seconds. Breathe in here for 5 seconds. Cap it, let it read for a minute, and label it cardio. So you should have 3 lines on here, one labeled rest, one labeled strength, and one labeled cardio.